Hello guys, my name is Steven, and in this video I will share my opinion about a TED Talk video made by Drew Humphreys titled How Machine Learning Can Teach Us to Build a More Effective Team. So in his video, he has shared with us 3 factors that will help us in building a more effective team. Those 3 factors are purpose of a process, early and lifelong learning, and bias for action. So I'll talk a little bit about what those 3 factors are. The first factor is purpose of a process. So what this factor teaches us is that we should not limit our teammates' capabilities in doing something. Now, how do we do this? Is that we give them a goal or a purpose to achieve, and by doing this, we give them a freedom in what they will do and what they should do to achieve that goal. So by doing this, we could expand their skills and while also expand their knowledge in how to do something. For instance, I want them to design a logo. Now, I don't care how you design it, but I just want to have a logo. You could use Photoshop or maybe Adobe Illustrator, or maybe you would like to try some ingenious idea. One of my friends tried using Microsoft PowerPoint to design a logo. It works. Now, this is an example of purpose of a process. The second factor is early and lifelong learning. So what this factor teaches us is that we should try to give our teammates more opportunities and chances to expand their skills and learn more. So how do we do this? Is that we give them chances to try to implement their ideas into our projects, or maybe try to think whether their ideas can be successful or not. After trying to implement their ideas, they might find a failure and success. If they success, then it is good. They could come to conclusion that these kind of skills can be used for this kind of projects. But if they come to a failure, they could use it as a learning chance too. So they could use it as the foundation for the future, and they could, as they say, failure is the mother of success. So they could use it as a learning and a chance to expand their skills, expand their abilities, and try to upgrade themselves. That's it for the second factor. Now to the third. The third factor is bias for action. So what this factor teaches us is that we should try to act more rather than wait. Rather than waiting for an answer to just fall down from the sky, we should try to act more and act our ideas more. So how we do this is that, for example, I was told to design a logo, so I try to design a logo with the thing that I know is Microsoft Word, but it fails. So I'll try another one, maybe Microsoft PowerPoint, but it succeeds, but it's bad. So I'll search in the internet and try to find out what program is much more good to design a logo with, and then in the end I will find out that maybe Photoshop is good and maybe it's perfect for me. So by using that bias for action factor, we could try to make it so that I want to learn more about other knowledge, other skills, and maybe expand my knowledge and skills. But if someone, a teammate maybe, I want you to design a logo only using Photoshop, the thing that is the best for designing logo, maybe he phrased it like that, then that means that he limits my capabilities to only Photoshop. So I don't know, I was only taught to use Photoshop, not use other else, Photoshop only. That's the example of bias for action. Those are the 3 factors that the Drew Humphreys have shared and taught with us, and what I've learned of it. So, but I don't agree with his thinking that those 3 factors can help us in building a more effective team, because when team building, I don't think about the abilities first. I think about the people. Because I think that there are 2 more factors that we need to consider when building a team rather than the 3 first. So the 4th factor is competition. You need to find someone that doesn't want to compete with you, or maybe even if they want to compete, it's a friendly competition rather than someone that want to sabotage you or makes it so that you fall, or makes the team not achieve their goal. So for instance, I want the team is having a goal to do this, but because there's a competition between you and your teammate and you guys are not working together, you can't achieve that goal. And there comes the fifth factor, personality. So what do I mean by personality is, even if they have some competition and they are bad with, they are not really compatible with you, but they have a kind personality and they want this team to succeed, and they want to help you, then that kind of person is a good teammate for your team. Someone ever told me that rather than having the best teammates, I would rather have someone that is much more compatible with me and someone that wants to work with me in my team. So what this means is that when you are given the chance to get someone that is at the master at their field, and that is very good in doing this thing that we need for our project, but you are also given a chance to get your teammate, your friend that is compatible with you. My friend said that I would rather choose that teammate, because that guy that is master, he might not be compatible with me, and we might not be able to work together, and we might comes to conflict, and we might have some conflict, that kind of thing. But if you work with someone someone that is compatible with you, you guys might achieve more than working with that master. That's what he meant. And I think I agree with that opinion too, and that's what my opinion says and what I think is the best for team building. That's it for me. Thank you.